Hey guys, we're over here at Choice Window Tinting. I'm just getting ready to install the window film on this window. This window is already clean. All I have to do is just put the pattern on. So you're gonna see me come back in the screen in just a minute. I'm peeling this off the peel board while I'm preparing this window. I'm just spraying a slip solution on here. I'm gonna line it up and make the tint go all the way to the top like it's supposed to. And I like to get that micro edge even way back in here. Like that. Then we're gonna squeegee. I like to use this Blue Max. Blue Max gets it really, really good. It gets a lot of the water out. Then I use a tri-edge. Blue tri-edge here. I use this to keep the door panel clean. Now I'm going to flush any dirt out that was at the bottom. This is a ceramic IR film that cuts over 90% of the infrared rays and 99% of the UV rays, of course. I'll slide that in there. And this is really tight because I made it tight. I didn't have to. A lot of places won't make it this tight because they want to do it quicker. I'd rather make it all the way to the edge, way back in there. Then I installed this off the roll sideways so that I'll have my fingers on the sides because it's the oversized window. And I use a 36-inch roll. So that means I'll have fingers on this side and I might have a finger on this side, but looks like we don't have any fingers whatsoever. So if I was gonna shrink it and heat it up, I would heat it up on this side and this side. So that's it. Now, with this, you'll see there's hardly any water. A little bit of water, look, a little bit of drip, not too much. You don't want to get too much water on this door panel with these threads. It'll make these threads swell from all the water, and that's not good. Give us a call at Choice Window Tinting if you'd like an estimate over the phone or stop by and see us. We're located on Narcoossee Road in Orlando.